Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining today's session. My name is Yotam Levy, and I lead customer insights and analyst relations here at Liferay. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 digital experience landscape, specifically conducting head-to-head comparison of two leading DXPs, Liferay DXP and Acquia DXP. Our goal is to look past the hype and examine how these platforms actually deliver value for enterprise organizations. We have a packed agenda today, but I promise to get it done in no more than 10 minutes. We'll start with the 2026 market landscape, what buyers today are actually looking for. Then we'll dive into the specifics of Acquia DXP's Drupal-centric portfolio versus Liferay DXP's unified experience approach. We'll compare both offerings side by side across the critical dimensions of governance, security, and operations. We'll also look at Liferay's unique AI enablement strategy, looking at pricing, predictability, and scalability, and conclude with a strategic decision matrix designed to help you identify the right path forward for your organization. Let's start by looking at the market. The DXP market has shifted beyond simple content management systems. In 2026, buyers need to solve for authenticated journey, like secure partner portals and employee intranet, not just public marketing sites. Organizations are increasingly moving away from platforms that require third-party glue or custom integrations to handle complex permissions, a concept we call security debt. Furthermore, there's now a system of record mandate. To truly deliver personalized one-to-one value, your DXP must natively speak to your ERP and CRM systems to deliver real-time, individualized experiences. Let's look at Acquia. Acquia DXP is anchored in Drupal, making it an excellent choice for organizations that are already standardized on that ecosystem. However, it's important to understand Acquia DXP's structure as an acquired portfolio. Acquia DXP is a collection of products like DAM, CDP, and personalization tools that were largely acquired over time rather than built from the ground up to work together. Analyst research explicitly highlights the resulting pricing complexity and the need for buyers to carefully track product entitlements across different modules. Further, there's a significant B2E gap. While strong for public sites, Acquia DXP lacks the native social and collaborative infrastructure required for modern employee intranets. By contrast, Liferay DXP acts as a unified architectural anchor for the enterprise. It provides one platform foundation to manage public sites, secure partner portals, and global intranets simultaneously. Unlike a stitched-together portfolio, Liferay DXP is B2B and B2E native, meaning it was specifically designed to support secure environments where role-based access is a foundational requirement, not an afterthought. Liferay DXP is also an integration powerhouse, offering productized connectors to systems like SAP and Salesforce to reduce the need for custom code. When we look at their operational side, the differences in philosophy become very clear. Liferay offers a built-together, coherent platform, whereas Acquia provides a stitched-together portfolio. For authenticated access, Liferay provides granular, native, role-based access control as a standard feature, while Acquia often requires custom Drupal development to meet similar needs. For employee experiences, Liferay has strong native alignment, while Acquia's portfolio is generally ill-suited for the native collaboration required in an intranet. Finally, Liferay's pricing model is predictable and capacity-based, contrasting with Acquia's complex, entitlement-based structures. And we'll talk a little bit more about pricing in just a bit. Now, we can't have a conversation today without talking about AI. AI is where Liferay's architecture offers a distinct hybrid advantage. What we mean by that is that Liferay is completely AI agnostic. You can use your preferred services like Claude, Gemini, so on and so forth, while applying Liferay's native security and governance on top of those services. We move beyond just using AI to write content. We enable you to build custom AI agents that act on business data. For example, you can build a support agent that securely checks inventory status in SAP and surfaces it within the customer portal. We also support the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, which allows you to securely feed enterprise data into your enterprise models without the risk of manual data exports. Now, one of the most significant differences between these two platforms is how they handle financial stability. Liferay DXP uses a predictable, largely capacity-based subscription model. As an open source business, we don't charge for software licenses. Instead, customers pay for an enterprise subscription that includes support and legal warranties. In fact, customers receive a perpetual license to use our software even if they're no longer customers. We find that helps our customers reduce costs and eliminate the need or risk of vendor lock-in. Acquia DXP, by contrast, operates as an acquired portfolio of products rather than a single turnkey platform. Analysts frequently caution buyers about Acquia's pricing complexity, where entitlements are fragmented across different modules like their CDP, DAM, and site factory. Scaling with Acquia can introduce usage penalties, where your costs increase based on metered usage and the number of product seats that you need. For organizations seeking a predictable TCO without hidden module cost, Liferay's unified foundation provides a much clearer financial path. To wrap up, the right platform depends on your specific needs. If your organization requires Drupal-specific web content management, Acquia DXP can be a reasonable choice. However, if your priority is unified employee internet, complex customer partner portal, or a platform with predictable pricing and global support, Liferay DXP is a recommended enterprise fit. Thank you so much for your time today. Please visit us at liferay.com or contact us at sales@liferay.com for a custom demo or to learn more. We look forward to hearing from you.